Have you been waiting for a home that won't require a lot of updating and repairs? Looking to just buy a home and move in? Here is the home for you. Presenting 20 Hillside Way, a picture-perfect 3-bedroom, 2 full-bath, turnkey ranch on a beautiful lot in one of the most popular areas of Wilmington, Massachusetts. Set back and elevated from the road, the home sits on a fantastic lot surrounded by a natural wooded setting. The well-cared-for yard and landscaping offers fantastic curb appeal, and the rear-level fenced yard makes it perfect for little ones, dogs, barbecues, and drinks by the fire. As you enter the home, you're greeted by the main living room, highlighted by a wonderfully large bay window and a beautiful shiplap accent wall. The large eat-in kitchen is well laid out with plenty of space and includes newer stainless steel appliances. All of the 3 bedrooms are on the same level, as is a beautifully updated full bathroom. This home also has an incredible finished lower level with a full bath, built-in entertainment center, recessed lights, and sliding barn doors that allow for multiple uses of the space: family room, office, playroom, and/or man cave. Additional improvements include a new roof, fresh paint throughout, and recently refinished floors. All this in an amazingly convenient location, just 3 miles from the MBTA commuter rail and just 6 minutes from the Mill Pond Reservoir and conservation area, the highway, shopping, and amazing restaurants. Just move right in and relax in this beautiful Wilmington home.